Now, your first alert weather forecast with weathercaster Taylor Begley.
Well, here's a look at what we're dealing with. Some heat alerts in place across Southern California. We're looking at an excessive heat warning for us here in the Coachella Valley and parts of the high desert. And then if you head a little bit to the west, some of our local mountains as well as the Inland Empire under a heat advisory. Both of these alerts in place and through 8 p.m. on Monday. Now, heat in the desert could reach up to 120 degrees. We saw that happen today. A record broken in Palm Springs for today's date. 120 is that new record. The previous record was 119 from back in 2012. The dangerous heat is continuing as we head through Monday because of this high pressure. So we see it in place here as we head into Sunday, shifting closer to us here in California and continuing to dip a little bit south, hovering over our area through Monday. So we are going to be dealing with those hot temperatures continuing through Monday before we see any type of cool down around the middle to end of next week, closer to that seasonal average. Now, some tips for you. Make sure you close off any unused rooms. That flex alert is in place through 9 o'clock tonight. Close your curtains, turn down the lights, and give your oven a break. Try to put your grill to work. So use that grill instead of your oven and use fans to keep your house cool. Right now, temperatures are still in the 1-teens, very hot out there. And as for our dew points, we're dealing with some moisture conditions in the 50s to 60s for those dew points. We were actually much worse earlier today with some of those dew points in the East Valley in the 70s. So those areas seeing them drop into the 60s at this hour. Windy conditions through the pass, those more wind-prone locations picking up on some gusty winds. Taking a live look from our El Paseo camera, a little bit of a breeze out in Palm Desert. Temperatures still very hot, dropping to only 100 degrees by 10 o'clock. Mostly clear skies, dew points in the 50s, sunset time at 8 o'clock. Those northwest winds about 15 to 20 miles per hour. Taking a look at your Comfort Air 7-day forecast, we are dealing with the 1-teens, a little bit cooler for tomorrow, but still very hot with the chance to reach up to 120 degrees over the next couple of days as we're under that excessive heat warning for the Coachella Valley. Then we start to cool down closer to our seasonal average, which is below 110 for this time of year. We won't be below 110 until Friday and Saturday.